Hi everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our Finland trip. This time we explored Nuuksio National Park. This is one of the most beautiful natural areas near Helsinki. But before entering the park, we also visited Haltia, the Finnish nature center. Haltia is a wonderful place that introduces you to Finland's nature through the creative exhibitions. Inside, you can learn about the forest, lakes, animals, and even the northern lights. It gave us a nice background about Finnish natures before we actually stepped out to experience it in real life. After Haltia, we began our adventure in Nuuksio. As soon as we entered the park, we are surrounded by tall trees and fresh air. The paths here are amazing, sometimes rocky, like a mountain trail, and sometimes green and dense, almost like a jungle. Every turn felt new, and the silence of the forest made the whole experience peaceful and exciting at the same time. During our trek, we saw some beautiful viewpoints that we stopped to take in the scenery. The lakes shining between the trees, the sound of birds, and the calm of the forest. It was like stepping into the different world. And then came one of the most surprising moments. We saw snake. Yeah, at first it gave us a little shock, but honestly, it made the trek even more fun and memorable. Encounters like this reminds you that you are truly in the middle of nature. One thing we noticed about Nuuksio is that it also had some caving option, but unfortunately we didn't get a chance to explore the caves this time. But if you ever visit, I would definitely recommend trying it out. It looks like an amazing adventure that adds something extra to the park experience. Overall, our day at Nuuksio National Park, starting with Haltia and then trekking, exploring and relaxing, was full of nature, fun and discovery. From learning about Finnish nature indoors to experiencing it outdoors in the most real way, it was the perfect way to spend a time here. Trekking wasn't the only thing we enjoyed. Nuuksio also has park areas where you can rest, relax and even play. We stopped there to play some games, laugh together and just enjoy the moment. Those small happy breaks made the trip feel even more special. For us, this was the best way to end our Finland trip. Simple, natural and full of memories we will never forget. So that was our Finland journey. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us. And if you ever get a chance, I really recommend visiting Haltia and Nuuksio National Park.